everyone. Firstly, congratulations. The trailer looks zabardast. I have two questions, one for Ayush and one for Salman sir. Firstly, Ayush, from Love Yatri to Antim, it's quite a massive transformation. Could you tell us something on that?
Sir, the film is different, the character was very different. So I just wanted to justify being a part of this movie. So that's why for it was about a change of 2 years. I had to change myself, put on a lot of weight. Actually, it was almost like going back to the drawing board post Love Yatri to play Raulia on screen.
And Salman sir, this the cop reminds us of Arjun Ranawat in terms of intensity, rawness, and everything else. And I think this is the first time since then that we are seeing you in this avatar. How would you define this cop character? And do you agree that this is the first in the intense space for you since Garv?
Correct. You're absolutely right. Dabang was a different character, so was Wanted, and so was Radhe. This is like that Arjun Ranawat kind of character, serious and heart and mind both working together in tandem. And um, he's very strong, he is dedicated to his job, and even though all the opposition, he manages to get things done his way.
Thank you and good luck.
आयुष आयुष आपके लेफ्ट में
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आयुष जी जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि
आयुष कौन है इधर?
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको
कौन है
पता चला
आयुष?
कि
आयुष
एक सेकंड रुक जा, एक सेकंड रुक जा। और गुड टू सी यू भाई, तुम्हें भी बहुत टाइम से नहीं देखा है।
थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू
जी।
आयुष
नहीं आयुष
आयुष
जब आपको बताया गया या आपको पता चला कि आपको सलमान जी के सामने शर्टलेस होना है और वो भी शर्टलेस होकर फाइट करनी है, तो क्या कुछ चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में?
सर मैंने पहले हार मान ली थी। मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आ रही थी टेंशन के मारे। और कभी ऐसा मतलब स्क्रीन में तो बहुत बार जब सलमान भाई की शर्ट उतरती है तो सीटी मारी है। अभी बहुत डर लग रहा था कि मैं उनके सामने खड़ा हूँ। और यूजुअली हमेशा प्रे करते हैं आप कि जब सलमान भाई फाइट करेंगे तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा। इस बार पिटने वाला मैं हूँ तो मुझे डर बहुत लग रहा था। और आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैंने भाई को सेट पे मिला था तो मैंने कहा भाई थोड़ा जस्ट गो ईजी ऑन मी, बिकॉज मुझे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि मैं इस टाइम इस मोमेंट में सलमान भाई के सामने खड़ा हूँ।
सलमान जी आप कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं कि
हाँ कि
जल्दी
बहनोई
shirtless होनी
को
चाहिए?
मारते नहीं, ब्रदर इन लॉ पे हाथ नहीं उठाते। और जब ये आए थे फर्स्ट टेक के अंदर तो भागते हुए आए फुल जोश के अंदर और पंच मारा। तो आई वाज लाइक नहीं भाई ये इसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, यहाँ पर तुमको मारना ही पड़ेगा। तो फिर इसके महेश हाँ इसके करीबन 14-15 टेक हो गए और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब ये पूरी पिक्चर में होते रहेगा।
आयुष, यू आर स्कैर्ड टू हिट।
सर मैंने साइड में बोला था गाड़ी रेडी रखना। गलती से हाथ इधर उधर हो गया तो मैं डायरेक्ट भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ जाऊंगा।
हाँ तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे।
बट तब तक थोड़ा शांति से हो जाएगा। बट बहुत डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत जैसे सडनली बताया था कि आके भाई को पंच करना है। तो आई थिंक भाई इज़ वेरी काइंड। तो रियल लाइफ में तो काफ़ी स्वीट होते हैं, बट जब आप ऑन मूवी सेट में देखते हो दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आप सलमान खान के सामने खड़े हो और आपको उनको पंच मारना है। सो आई थिंक दैट डे थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन टाइप हो गया था मुझे।
Hi Ayush, Sana from Indian Express here. Hi.
Hi ma'am.
As you rightly said कि डर लग रहा था, but given that Salman is there with you in this film, do you think it will work as an advantage because you know there's a certain section of audience that will definitely come to watch the film, or are you nervous because there would be comparisons and of course references?
Ma'am, for any actor, that's a different subject that I am related to him. But for any actor, it's a dream come true to be in a project that has Salman Bhai. For me, I am very lucky that I am on the poster as well. So I think it's a huge advantage as an actor to be working with him. There are certain things you learn while you are training, and there are certain things you learn while you're on set. And to be a part of, I think most of his films have been so famous and they've been so popular. I think it's a dream come true for me to be a part of a movie that so many people, it reaches to so many people. So I can get the advantage of showing my work to a lot of people.
And Salman from
ये जो भी इन्होंने स्पीच दिया है इसको संभाल के रखना। कुछ सालों के अंदर I told भाई not to do it but he didn't listen only. Yeah.
And Salman, from Bhaijaan to Hindustan Ka Bhai, as your character rightly mentioned, tell us more about playing a Sardar, because I think it's probably for the first time that you're doing that.
No,
also.
I did that. I did that in Heroes a long time ago. And then when you play a character like that, then you need to, give it your best. And so whenever you play a character, any character actually, and you just need to just be very pure and just be very careful and be very, very respectful and dedicated to that character.
And Mahesh sir, I also wanted to ask you, given that, as Salman rightly mentioned, that you got to know about your illness before the film, how difficult was it to actually shoot amid the illness, or was it actually a healing process for you because you were on set?
No, actually, what happened is when I got to know I have cancer, but I don't know. I was lucky. The chemos didn't affect me at all. I had to take 4 chemos first before going in for a surgery. It was a huge surgery. But then during the shooting, I was under chemo and it didn't affect me so much. But then, I don't know, I think work drives you, passion drives you. And I always think positively. I never, it didn't shock me that when they told me I've got cancer. So I just accepted it and I said, ki, chalo, there are so many people who get cancer and who still fight and survive. So it didn't bother me too much. And then all were helpful in Salman. Everybody knew, so they were all very, very caring, and there was no problem at all. And as I said, the film was like down my road, and so I was quite comfortable, and I think both of them were so supportive. In spite of, it was a change of role for Ayush also, a change of role for Salman also. It has whatever humor there is in the film, it comes out of situations. Humor is not thrust in the film. So it is a very, very serious film, but then there is sort of a black comedy in the film. But I'm very, very satisfied with the way the film is shaped up, and it is to my liking. It is a commercial film, but still it is a real film.
Thank you. Glad to see you back on fit.
Just one sec. Have we got the mic coming here? Asha, actually, you're loud enough. We'll have you.
Lekin gents first or ladies first? ये जेंट्स फर्स्ट चलो भाई जेंट्स लेडीज ने बोल दिया जेंट्स फर्स्ट
माइक किसके पास
और आप बात मान जाओगे नहीं गो है पहले तो आप लेडीज और फिर आप सेकंड रो में बैठी हो
ये आप कर रहे हो आप पूछ लो ना हाँ बेटर हो जाएगा
और आ जाएगा नहीं तो
जी बोलिए पूछिए
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here from Times of India. Mahesh ji, the question is for you.
One sec.
Mahesh ji, the question is for you. This side.
there.
So you're working with Salman after a very long time, though even your daughter has worked with him, and this time you're directing the film. You're a part of direction as well as actor. So can you elaborate about your role in the movie?
My role as an actor?
As an actor and as the director, how was?
As an actor, I didn't want to, but actually Salman forced me to do the role. What happens is when I prefer not to act in a film I direct, because you always feel you can't see yourself act. You can't say okay because you're there, you don't know what you have done. But then I did
it. Was more than okay.
Most of the times I used to shirk away, कि ये scene में इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं. So I used to not do. But then the role was nice, beautiful cameo, so I just did it. But as a director, because I've known Salman now for so many years, we have done so many films as co-stars. So I know Salman. Beyond films also, I treat him more like a brother than a friend because I'm always at his home. So, and I know what capabilities he has. So it was never a very, very difficult thing to direct him at all. In fact, it was much easier because I knew exactly what I wanted from him. The only thing I wanted was to say the lines and mean the lines. So many a times what happens is people enact their lines, which I feel there, somewhere a little hamming comes in. So I just told him, I said, you believe in the lines and say the lines. There are so many times when the people go on screaming and shouting the lines and, they jar. So it was never at all difficult working with Salman because I know him and he knows me. So there was I was not overawed by him or not scared of him. So that helped a lot. And I really loved working with him because he's one hell of an actor for a director. So he's
How
very
come, sir, you were not very critical of him ever? Sometimes is that zone there that family hai, so I might be a little more extra critical in a scene.
बिल्कुल नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं सर. जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है. पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में.
तुम्हारे पर आए हैं सर को
कौन से सेट? ये सर या ये सर?
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ. सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं क्या? आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take. Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because has to show a little more?
I keep my criticality within myself. Because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
You know, Bhai is being modest. Bhai is very
I will
critical.
say something to him. He will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said. And Arpita said, "What have you?" And then call Gumas around onto me. So, but he's doing. He's a sensible boy. He knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place, and he uses them as well. Padha likha chokra hai. And good at heart. Abhi tak to.
My last question is to...
Samina, just finished. Sorry, I interrupted you there. Yeah, please.
To Ayush.
One second. She just finished off. Yeah.
Ayush, from playing a lover boy to villainous role, how was the transformation for you altogether?
I think, ma'am, it was more of a psychological transformation to do something like this. I never really thought that this second film I would have to play a character like this. But I think more than anything, Mahesh sir had written the film, which it was so beautiful that while I was reading the script and sir was doing my workshops, at that point in time, it really started helping me psychologically to play the character. I wouldn't really say that the transformation of Raulya as a character from my first film is only physical. I think it's more of a mental thing that Mahesh sir has helped me in this movie.
Hello?
Brother?
Yeah.
Yes, one second.
Yeah.
Right here.
Push